It's February 10th, 2021. My name is Eric Haluzik with All Corners Home Inspections. This is the roof evaluation for this single-family home here in Lake Oswego, Oregon. As with all the videos in this report, we would request that you view this video as supplemental to the written version of the report to which this video has been attached. At the time of inspection, there were a multitude of reportable challenges with this single-family home's clear-story style roof. We'll do our best to detail those challenges here in a moment. It should be noted, however, that an Oregon home inspection does not include a roof warranty, meaning we make no claims as to this roof's ability to keep water out of the ceiling voids and attic spaces for the living space below. There are companies, typically insurance companies, that will allow for such insurance policies or give you those. Again, Oregon home inspectors are specifically forbidden by the Oregon Construction Contractors Board from making such claims. You've got a couple of long lengths of electrical runs on the roof line. These are never advised because they're a trip hazard. At best, they're a trip hazard, and at worst, they become a hazard to both people as well as the structure. As you can see here, it's difficult to maintain the joints on the exterior facing areas of these runs. It's difficult to maintain them, and you end up with debris, as you can see here, around those open joints. And of course, electrical systems can overheat when they're not properly assembled, and of course having heat adjacent to this duff-like material from this tree adjacent to the roof line can create fire hazard issues. There are a couple of swales in the roof line in particular, but not limited to the right and left-hand side of the chimney, or the front side in this orientation, and the back side of the chimney in this orientation. There's one here. That's an indication that the roof structure has either failed at a couple locations, or the roof sheathing material has probably heat cycled and or moisture cycled enough to create maybe a structural compromise. There are a number of soft conditions around these areas, with maybe the worst area being at this location here at the rear right-hand side facing portion of the chimney. Human load may compromise that spot. The chimney is missing what's called a cricket. It's a sort of a dormer or a gable-styled structure, which would sit at the uphill side of the chimney here and prevent snow in particular from accumulating at the uphill side of the chimney. Major water accumulation and major water transfer can occur without the presence of a cricket. The roof material itself is in moderate to poor conditions in lots of locations, with chipped and missing shingles at a lot of locations. You can see that in particular at the flip side of the roof line, but again, the left-hand side of the roof line is so covered with debris that it's difficult to make an accurate assessment of the current quality and condition of that roof line. We'd recommend getting this roof line blown off, getting the gutters cleaned, and then doing another thorough evaluation of the roof line once all of these areas are visible. Eric Haluzik, All Corners Home Inspections.